On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepares a superb stuffed tomato. This recipe is full of great tasting and nutritious vegetables, leading to a healthy and hearty dish. It works well either as a side dish or a main course. First things first, we chop. To start, take a large ripe tomato and cut into the top. Work the knife around the top of the tomato. Slide the knife deeper into the tomato and go around once more. The lid should be able to come right off. Next, cut around the insides of the tomato. Then use a spoon to scoop them out. This is kind of like carving a pumpkin at Halloween. In no time, we'll have a tomato bowl for our vegetables. Yum! Place the tomato in the oven for 5 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want to cook it, we just want to warm it up. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add in our chopped turnips, green onions, celery, garlic, and onion. Season our veggies with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give the pan a nice toss or a stir, so everything gets evenly cooked and seasoned. Deglaze the pan with a splash of water. Once the vegetables have started to brown, add in 2 tablespoons of cooked brown rice. This adds some serious volume to the tomato filling. In no time at all, we've arrived at the final step, plating. Scoop our vegetable mixture into the tomato, and voila! A superb stuffed tomato that is fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat. Chef Rob and registered dietitian Rebecca Turner pair the stuffed tomato with a delicious squash pasta dish and seared Swiss chard. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.